The disappearance of animals like the dinosaur, saber-toothed tiger, and white dolphins, and the appearances of new ones like the red fox, rhino fish, at saka thigh tarantula exemplify ecological blank. Is it biodiversity, evolution, niche, or creation? Go. This is letter B, evolution. Okay? Evolution po ito. Sino yung evolution po natin? Siya po yung process on which yung mga species is nag-change siya over time, leading to the emergence of new species. So, kung merong bago, meron ding nawawala. Okay? Yan yun. So, ito po, na-explain sila nga, marami tayong mga diverse species na nandito po sa ating planet. Okay? And talking about evolution, ito po yung dalawang types of evolution. Si divergent, okay? Divergent at saka si convergent evolution. From the word divergent, galing siya sa isang ancestor. Tapos, para siyang nag-branch out na family. So, si fox at saka si domestic dog, there are basically para silang cousins. Convergent evolution, wala or hindi sila galing sa isang ancestor, but they have similar characteristic. Si bird, si butterfly, at saka si bat, hindi sila galing sa isang ancestor, pero lahat silang tatlo lumilipad.